Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to talk about the 7 dimensions of self and why it matters and a little bit about what it does. Let's get into it. Understanding yourself is one thing, but what if you could actually change the way you think, feel, and react? You know your triggers, and yet nothing changes.
Why do you always need space from me?
Because you won't respect my boundaries.
The 7 dimensions of self is a psychodynamic framework that I developed over many years. It includes items like self-confidence, self-esteem, self-efficacy, motivation, ambition, situational awareness, metacognition, or internal awareness. So essentially, it has 3 basic functions. It enhances awareness, helps with emotional regulation, and it helps us to learn more about what forces inside and outside ourselves shape our identity. In order for 7DS to work, it has to follow 3 very simple principles: identify, interrupt, and replace. So, what do? We identify the area in which we're having difficulty, the specific dimension. We interrupt the behavioral pattern and we replace it with a more healthy one. Maybe before you learned that your self-confidence was low, you understood this as a need to protect yourself because we're taught that acknowledging our lack of belief in our abilities is a weakness, and so naturally, many of us become defensive and react angrily. But now, you can interrupt this pattern. Acknowledge that your inner journey is your own, and that your skill level is something that you're committed to improving in your own time, and that the opinions of other people really shouldn't validate your belief in your own ability. I wanted to let you know that I'm an executive contributor for Brainz Magazine, but that I'm offering 7DS to the public on the platform Skool. It's going to be a great community. It's packed with courses and eventually certifications as psychosocial development workers like me, and it'll be available to everybody. In the meantime, please feel free to check out my TikTok content for more information on relationship dynamics and 7DS, and a lot more really useful and very beneficial information that I'm sure will benefit you in your everyday life. Till next time, see you later.